Hello, I pray that your Thanksgiving will be filled with an awareness of all the good that surrounds each of us every day. I want to share how you can be more aware of that. But first, let me take a moment to say thank you to some of you. Thank you if you've allowed Lowcountry Biblical Counseling Center to assist you in some relational or circumstantial challenge this year. Thank you if you've trusted us to train you in becoming a better encourager, coach, or counselor. Thank you if you've prayed for us. Thank you if you've supported our ministry of counseling and training this year. We're here because you trust us to help people find and give answers in the sea of human need. But let me now share with you some thoughts this Thanksgiving that I hope will fill your heart with gratitude. Is your glass half full or half empty this Thanksgiving? Let me encourage you through Psalm 23, a famous psalm written by King David, to see your cup as overflowing. This psalm reminds us of the goodness of God that pursues us every day. David opens this psalm with this profound statement: "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." At first glance, this might feel far from our reality, especially in difficult seasons. But David doesn't leave it as a lofty-sounding religious quote, one that we can hear at funerals. Later in verse 5, he declares, "My cup runneth over." In other words, David reflected on his life and sees that goodness and mercy have followed him all the days of his life. As he meditated on the many ways that God has worked in his life through this past year, he overflowed with gratitude and penned Psalm 23. I encourage you to pause this Thanksgiving and read Psalm 23. Note how David identifies in each phrase exactly how the Lord pursued him with goodness and mercy. Take time to reflect on the past 12 months of your life. Can you see how the Lord has provided good things in your life? By viewing the past year as a half-full glass instead of a half-empty one, you can smile at the future. But even more than that, gratitude can open the door to welcoming more blessings into your life. The power of gratitude. Unfortunately, when we focus on the half-empty glass, we place ourselves in a state no one wants to be in. By failing to give thanks for the good that we've received, we essentially say to God, "No, thank you. I don't want more of that shepherding from you. I don't want to lay down in the pastures green that you've led me to. I don't want to be guided by the still waters of contentment." Ingratitude places a lid on our cup. If that's where you find yourself this Thanksgiving, can I encourage you to remove the lid? As you read Psalm 23, join David, even in the midst of his trials, and identifying the many ways God has been your shepherd and how he desires to continue shepherding you in this coming year. Then, like David, you too can say, "My cup runneth over." Welcome the goodness and mercy of God into your life by giving thanks for the blessings you already have. I wish I could sit down with each of you to help you see the goodness of God in your life and experience the abundance he has for you in the coming year. Gratitude can unlock that abundance. To help you reflect this Thanksgiving, I've included a few links with resources to read, listen to, and even sing. May these bless you as you reflect on the goodness of God. Thank you for allowing Lowcountry Biblical Counseling Center to be a blessing to you and to so many others. I'm nothing without him. Tim Bryant, Executive Director, Lowcountry Biblical Counseling Center.